Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that blends tech and creativity, the power of Raspberry Pi in shaping innovative projects. Whether you're a seasoned tech lover or just someone curious about the latest gadgets, there's something here for everyone. Now, let's set the stage a bit. Raspberry Pi has become a household name among DIY enthusiasts and tech innovators alike. It's like a tiny but powerful wizard that can turn your ideas into reality. Did you know the Raspberry Pi 5, particularly the 8 GB model, has some impressive specs that are catching the eyes of developers and hobbyists? For example, some tests show it running at an astounding 11.68 tokens per second. That's not just numbers, it means faster processing, better multitasking, and more possibilities. So let's unpack that a little. Think of it this way. Have you ever tried to cook a meal in a tiny kitchen where your tools are limited? It can be frustrating, but now imagine you have everything neatly organized, more tools at your disposal, and fewer restrictions. That's what the Raspberry Pi 5 offers its users: freedom to create without the limitations of traditional computing. But it's not just about speed. The Raspberry Pi community is vast. Have you ever participated in a community event? There's a certain energy you feel when you're around like-minded people, brainstorming and sharing ideas. The Raspberry Pi forums and events are buzzing with creativity, where everyone shares their latest projects, from quirky home automation systems to complex robotics. Now, for those listening who might be new to the world of Raspberry Pi, what's the first step? Well, I'd say start with a simple project. Maybe build a media center or a retro gaming console. It's a fantastic way to get your feet wet without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it's genuinely fun. And here's something to think about. What if you could integrate Raspberry Pi with AI? The possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine creating an AI that learns your preferences and helps manage your home. That's not just futuristic. It's already happening for some people in the community. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the limitless potential that tools like Raspberry Pi can unleash. Whether you're interested in tech, education, or just looking to pick up a new hobby, there's a spot for you in this ecosystem. And before we finish, I'd love to leave you with one question. What project have you always dreamt of creating, and how could Raspberry Pi help bring that vision to life? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and until next time, keep making magic with your tech.